One day, Nana and Popo were walking through the snow to get to their igloo, and it was a cold, wintry night that night, and the wind blew strong and stronger and stronger, and it was really, really cold that night. And Popo said, "It's okay, little sister. You'll get home soon, okay? And then we can get toasty warm in our igloo." "You promise?" "I promise." But then the wind was so strong that it separated both of them because there was a blizzard. And Popo couldn't find his little sister anywhere. And he said, "Nana, Nana, where are you? Nana, oh no, Nana, Nana. I can't find my little sister. Oh no. Oh, Nana, where are you? Nana, Nana, Nana." It's so cold. Popo, Popo, where are you? Nana, where are you? Popo, said his little sister Nana, looking for her big brother, and he couldn't find her. And Popo couldn't find his little sister anywhere, and neither could his sister. And until they bumped into each other, and Popo said, "Nana, Popo, I'm so glad you're okay. Why are you all wet? Are you okay?" "I fell in the icy river." "Oh no. Come on, we have to get you home." "Why?" "Because I don't want you to get hypothermia." "What's that?" "It's when your skin gets really cold and something bad can happen to you. Come on." "Okay." "Popo, are you okay?" "Yeah, I'm just worried." "Why?" "Because when I locked you in that blizzard, I felt like a horrible big brother." "Oh, Popo, don't say that about yourself. Nobody is perfect, you know. Even big brothers make mistakes. But it's okay. Look at the bright side. You found me, and we're gonna go home into our nice warm igloo." "Oh, you're right. Come on." And then when they got home, Popo took care of his little sister and tried to keep her nice and warm by the fire. And he wrapped a blanket around her and dried her hair with a towel. And he said, "There, that will keep you nice and warm. Do you want some hot chocolate?" "Yes, please, Popo." "Popo? Yeah? I'm sorry that I got you worried." Oh, no. It's okay. I was just afraid that I lost you because you're my only little baby sister I have." "Hey, Popo, I'm not a baby." "I know that, but I love you too much to lose you. You know? Don't cry, Popo, don't cry. I'm here. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay, Popo, I forgive you. You shouldn't be upset. You know why? Why? Because we found each other and we have each other, and that's all we need, right?" "I get you're right, little sister." "And anyway, how do you feel?" "I still feel a little bit cold, but I feel okay." "Well, I'm gonna make you some soup, okay?" "Okay, here you go. Nice warm eggplant soup, just the way you like it. Do you want me to feed it to you?" "Mm-hmm." "Okay, open up. Yum. Yummy." "I'm glad that you like it." "Yeah." "Hey, Popo." "Yes, Nana?" "I'm cold." "I know, it's gonna be okay." Popo, chill. Oh no. Here you go, blow your nose. Hey, Popo? Yeah? Why did you take care of me a lot? Oh, because a brother's love is unconditional. Really? Mm-hmm. I'm always gonna be here to protect you. I will never let anyone hurt you or I will never abandon you because I love you from your heart to my heart. You understand? Yes, big brother. Okay, come on, let's get ready for bed. But Popo, what? I don't want to lose you either. Oh, no, you will never lose me. You promise? I promise. Now dry those tears. Everything's okay. It's okay, Nana. It's okay. Don't. It's okay. Were you crying because you got scared when you got lost? Mm-hmm. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here, Nana. I'm here. I will never lose you, I promise. Even though I locked you in the snow, but you know what I mean. I'm always gonna be there to protect you. It's okay, Nana. Shh. I'm not crying over that now. I'm just crying because I got hurt. Oh no. Where? Right here on my arm. Oh, let me see. Oh, it's just a little scratch. But it hurts though. Okay, here, let me put a band-aid and a big brother kiss. Mwah. Oh, Popo, I love you. And I love you too, little sister, with all my heart. And there's nothing that can replace my love for you. Nothing. And I love you very much. You know that, right? Mm-hmm. And remember, always stay by brother's side. So I can keep you safe and you can keep me safe. You understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. I love you. I love you too, Popo. Can you give me an Eskimo kiss? Okay. And then they wiggled their noses together. And Popo said, I love you, Nana. And Nana said, and I love you too, Popo. And the moral of the story is a brother's love is unconditional because siblings always stick together. The end.